Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today is just a quick decorate with me video where I'll be sharing my staircase and formal dining room that I decorated for Christmas this year. If you're interested in any of the items that I used, make sure you watch the entire thing because I will be talking about where I got everything. Also, if you'd like to see how I attach my garland to the banister, make sure you check out my YouTube short where I shared exactly how I got it up. And as always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more. And so without wasting too much time, let's get to decorating. Look at the garland. Everything came out great. And so really fast, I just want to share some of the things that I used. So these little nutcrackers, they're just a DIY that I did. These are from Hobby Lobby. They come in a 5-pack. I believe they were with the 50% off $5. So $1 each is a great price on that. And then I went ahead and also found these little snowman. And all I pretty much did was stain them as well and then just place some glue on the back and tie them in. These ornaments here are just a clearance find from Walmart last year. And so what I really love about this is you can customize this to your color scheme, to your taste. And then of course, just to tie everything in with the nutcracker theme that I'm going with, I went ahead and made the same bows that I use in my kitchen and in my living room to kind of tie everything together. And then to finish things off, I did go ahead and put up some bells. These are also a purchase from Hobby Lobby. I want to say they were about between $5 to $9, somewhere in that range, but these are the medium size bells, and so love that. And then one thing that I almost forgot to do was cover up the zip ties, and so I just got some string. Now I will say in the past I usually use twine, and now I remember why. It's because I ended up going through 3 different colors of ribbon to be able to cover all of the zip ties. But I do love that nice little touch that it adds on the inside of the banister. the finished product here. I do love how everything turned out. Now, I've shared these chargers before. This is just a different color. I purchased these in about, I want to say 4 or 5 different colors. So this is a champagne gold, which kind of gives off as a little bit of silver. It looks great with those gold silverware that I got from Dollar General. And then I just love the nutcrackers. Obviously this year is a big nutcracker year for me. I placed these little nutcrackers that I had gotten from Dollar General here, and I like that nice little touch. And the centerpiece, although simple, it does make quite a statement, which is what I like. You know, we're going to be hosting quite a bit this year, so I wanted to go for something a little bit more streamlined, easier to remove whenever we host guests over. But maybe next year I think I might do something bigger with a nice long garland and some candlesticks. So make sure that you guys are liking and subscribing to my channel so that way you can see all the things that I have in store for next year. But yeah, this is pretty much here in the formal dining room, and I kept it simple here for these little candles on each side, and I just went with some berries and a little bell that I had picked up from I believe it was Pop Shelf I got this bell from, and then these little berries from Hobby Lobby. And I do apologize if it's coming out really dark on camera. The lighting here in our dining room, although I love it for entertainment because, you know, it's not too harsh or too bright, so it gives a nice atmosphere, it is terrible for recording, so I do apologize for that. And then I just copied the same thing over here. Now there is supposed to be a votive candle that goes here. I don't like using votive candles here, that's why there's nothing currently. And so here's another final look on the garland. I think it came out so cute and I love the way it looks. The little nutcrackers are especially my favorite part to this, and I'm so glad that I was able to incorporate that ribbon in here, which kind of ties everything together, which it was a goal of mine this year to do, so happy about that. And here is Max just taking a little nap there. But yeah, everything came out really nice. I love the garland, I love Christmas, and I am looking forward to doing quite a few more videos. I think I'm gonna be considering doing anyways a Vlogmas style videos for the month of December. So I do hope that if you enjoyed today's video that you will give it a big thumbs up, but also please consider subscribing to my channel. I would absolutely love to have you be a part of the Home Life family. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.